Welcome to today's crypto news update. In today's top stories, Bitcoin faces high volatility ahead of the Fed's rate decision, and MicroStrategy boosts its Bitcoin buying power with a massive $875 million debt offering. Plus, find out why Ethereum is gaining bullish momentum as it trails behind Bitcoin. High volatility is expected for Bitcoin today as the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision looms. Historically, Bitcoin has shown sharp price swings during such macroeconomic announcements. If the Fed raises rates, it could prompt a sell-off, as higher borrowing costs might deter investors from riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. Conversely, a dovish stance may lead to a buying spree, pushing Bitcoin's price upward. Analysts suggest traders prepare for significant price fluctuations, with potential moves in both directions. Investors are keeping a close eye on both global economic trends and the Fed's actions, which could set the tone for Bitcoin's short-term trajectory. MicroStrategy, a leading institutional Bitcoin holder, has announced a new $875 million convertible debt offering to increase its Bitcoin holdings. This move reflects CEO Michael Saylor's unwavering confidence in Bitcoin as a long-term store of value. The offering allows institutional investors to buy convertible notes, which can later be exchanged for equity or settled in Bitcoin, giving MicroStrategy the flexibility to capitalize on market opportunities. With this new funding, the company strengthens its position as a dominant player in the crypto space, further bolstering its Bitcoin reserves to solidify its bet on the cryptocurrency's future appreciation. Bitcoin's price has bounced back after a recent dip, reclaiming the $60,000 level. However, the critical question remains whether it can maintain this momentum. Analysts suggest that strong resistance near $61,000 could halt Bitcoin's advance if bullish support fades. On the technical side, key moving averages are showing mixed signals, making it uncertain if the asset can sustain its upward trajectory. Market sentiment, boosted by institutional interest, may help drive further gains, but macroeconomic factors, such as the Federal Reserve's policies, could influence whether Bitcoin can decisively break out above this crucial threshold. A well-known crypto strategist has predicted that Bitcoin could surge to unprecedented levels by 2025. Drawing on historical patterns and macroeconomic factors. The analyst anticipates that Bitcoin's price will be driven by growing institutional adoption and tightening supply. This bullish outlook aligns with the increasing number of institutional players, including major corporations and asset managers, investing in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. The strategist also forecasts that by 2025, regulatory clarity and broader acceptance could propel Bitcoin to new all-time highs, potentially surpassing $250,000, positioning it as a leading global asset. In a recent document sent to clients, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, called Bitcoin a unique diversifier for portfolios. The firm highlighted Bitcoin's ability to offer non-correlated returns compared to traditional assets like stocks and bonds, making it an attractive addition to diversified investment strategies. BlackRock's endorsement marks a significant step towards mainstream institutional acceptance of Bitcoin, underscoring the cryptocurrency's growing role in modern finance. This comes amid increasing institutional interest in Bitcoin, which is being viewed as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, solidifying its status as a valuable long-term investment. Recent data suggests that Bitcoin whales, large-scale investors, may be fueling the next bull run. On-chain analysis shows increased whale activity, with massive Bitcoin transfers to wallets and exchanges. Historically, whale movements have been early indicators of impending market rallies, as their actions can significantly impact liquidity and price trends. Experts are closely monitoring these transactions to gauge market sentiment. The accumulation of Bitcoin by large holders signals growing confidence in a potential price surge. If this trend continues, whales could play a pivotal role in driving Bitcoin's next major bull run. Ethereum is trailing behind Bitcoin but showing signs of gaining bullish momentum. While Bitcoin continues to dominate market headlines, Ethereum is quietly building strength, with technical indicators pointing to a potential breakout. Key support levels are holding firm, and the recent network upgrades, including the shift to proof-of-stake, are improving Ethereum's scalability and energy efficiency. With rising demand for decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum network, Analysts believe that it could soon catch up to Bitcoin's pace, fueling a strong upward movement in its price over the coming weeks. A fractal pattern on Bitcoin's chart suggests that the cryptocurrency may be on the verge of a major breakout in the fourth quarter. The pattern, which mirrors a previous bullish phase, indicates that Bitcoin could surge to new highs as market conditions align. Several factors, including increased institutional investment and favorable regulatory developments, are setting the stage for this potential upward move. Analysts are optimistic that Bitcoin will follow its historical fractal behavior, leading to a strong performance in the final months of the year. This technical setup has traders anticipating a significant price rally before year-end. In a recent community poll, Cardano or ADA emerged as the top cryptocurrency, beating out Ethereum and Solana. The poll, which gauged user sentiment, revealed that many investors see Cardano as having the best potential for long-term growth. With recent updates to its blockchain, including smart contract capabilities, Cardano is positioned as a strong contender in the decentralized finance space. This community support underscores growing confidence in ADA's future, as it continues to challenge Ethereum and Solana in the race to become the dominant platform for decentralized applications and blockchain innovation. Sunswap, a decentralized exchange or DEX built on the Tron blockchain, has become a go-to platform for Tron users due to its incredibly low transaction fees, often as low as 10 cents. This makes Sunswap a cost-effective option for users seeking to trade TRC-20 tokens and participate in decentralized finance activities. With its user-friendly interface and competitive fees, Sunswap is gaining popularity, especially in a market where high fees on other networks, such as Ethereum, have deterred smaller traders. The platform's growing user base is positioning it as a leading DEX in the Tron ecosystem. That's all for today's Crypto Bulletin. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates, like this video if you found it helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to hit the notification bell and share this video with fellow crypto enthusiasts.